The issue stirs passions on both sides, with gay rights activists calling it the civil rights issue of the day. And as the court met to hear both sides of the argument, the debate brought out hundreds of protesters. Outside the Supreme Court, demonstrators supporting same-sex marriage and those against it rally. Among the supporters, Andre Vraney from Green Bay.
This is a watershed moment in the gay rights struggle for LGBT Americans throughout the nation.
Vraney made the trip to Washington to voice his support for same-sex marriage, eager to be part of this historic moment.
We're a whole group of people basically gathering together to fight for our rights and to tell the world that we are here and we deserve the same protections under the law that every other citizen of the United States deserves.
At issue, the constitutionality of California's Proposition 8, a voter-approved measure banning same-sex marriage in that state, a law which the plaintiffs behind the case say must be overturned.
We look forward to a day when Proposition 8 is finally and officially eliminated and equality is restored to the state of California.
A ban that Reverend John Dorfler of the Catholic Diocese of Green Bay says is reasonable.
We would not be supportive of the legal recognition, as if it were marriage, of a relationship between two people of the same gender.
For 80 minutes, justices listened to both sides, hinting they could dismiss the case without ruling.
Is there any way to decide this case in a principled manner that is limited to California only?
The problem with the case is that you're really asking, particularly because of the sociological evidence you cite, for us to go into uncharted waters.
But any decision is still many months away and the outcome far from certain.
It's impossible to say. I would not presume to even guess what they're going to do.
Tomorrow, the justices hear another same-sex marriage case involving the 1996 Defense of Marriage Act, which denies federal benefits to same-sex spouses. In the studio, Chris Schuler, Local 5 News HD.